good Tuesday morning, Southern California. Hopefully your day is off to a great start as you wake up this morning. It is going to be hot out there today, tomorrow, the next day. We're in the middle of a really intense heat wave. And unfortunately, as we head to the next couple of days, the heat is only going to get worse. And it all has to do with our ridge of high pressure. You've heard me talk about it so many times now. It's that heat dome. Where is it early this Tuesday morning? It's still to our east across West Texas. However, as I put this into motion, notice where the ridge starts to head here, getting into Wednesday and Wednesday morning, closer to Southern California. The closer it gets, the hotter it's going to get. And it looks like by Wednesday afternoon and into Thursday, probably our two hottest days, that heat dome will be almost directly overhead. It's not until Friday, more Saturday into Sunday, the ridge finally begins to move to the east, and we may see a small break in the intense heat out there, but we are plastered in heat alerts. Check it out. In purple, that is an extreme heat warning. It is for all of the San Diego County valleys, mountains, and desert floors through Friday night at 8 o'clock. Imperial County is also under an extreme heat warning until Saturday evening. And check out the coastline. In orange, that is a heat advisory in effect until Friday evening. So you get the idea. Between now and Friday, really hot weather is on the way. So what does this mean for our forecast today? Well, let me show you the high temperatures by this afternoon, and they are just blistering, crushing. We're talking about 98 degrees in Escondido. That's along the 15. Wait till you see tomorrow. 87 in Carlsbad. Out in Imperial County, temperatures 115 to about 118 degrees. Notice how we don't get much relief during our overnight hours. So Wednesday morning, you'll wake up. Hopefully your air conditioning is running, because we're starting off at 79 in Escondido, starting off at 98 in Ocotillo, mid-90s for Salton City. Even along the coastline, we're in the mid-70s with a very shallow marine layer. Here's Wednesday afternoon. What grabs your attention, and it's tough to look at, is the forecast out in Imperial County. So we're going 120 in El Centro, about 117 in Salton City, 115 in Ocotillo. Our San Diego County valleys along the 15, Escondido, Vista, possibly San Marcos and Point South, 101, 100 degrees in La Mesa. Our coastal communities trying to make a run for the 90s. Heading into Thursday, again, another really hot day. I think Thursday will probably be our hottest day around here. 120s out in Imperial County. That could break some records. 103 Escondido, 101 La Mesa. We're talking about the mid-90s, potentially getting all the way or just a couple of miles east of the coastline. Friday looks like another scorcher, and then by the weekend, things will start to cool off ever so slightly. This is an important map. This is a heat risk map by the National Weather Service, and check it out. It goes from 1 through 4. The lower scale is minor. That's in yellow, and then extreme is in that purple color you see. Check out how the San Diego County metro area is under a major risk for extreme heat Thursday, with pockets of extreme risk in that purple color. For Friday, the attention turns to Imperial County, much of Imperial County underneath the extreme risk for heat. That's pretty rare to get. So it grabs your attention. You want to make sure you're taking the proper precautions. I know it kind of sounds silly. We know it's hot. We want to drink water, drink the electrolytes, but the sun can really sneak up on you, especially if you're trying to have like a tanning day outside. Heat stroke, heat-related illnesses, it can all set in pretty quickly, so stay safe out there.